How's it going, everyone? In today's video, let's talk about the best settings for your MC Host L7 Ultra mouse. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the MCho's webpage right here, and you can either choose one of this, which is going to be the MHub Web or the MHub Driver. Either way, it's going to work the same to basically configure and set the best settings for our mouse. Now, after opening up the web version, it will simply look something like this. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the DPI setting itself, which is going to be this one. Now you can set remapping macros if you want to, but the best settings will come from the DPI settings and the performance setting. Now in here, you want to set the following profiles, which is going to be 400, 800, 1600, and for the last three you can set any value you want to, but generally you just want to set this on quick access because this is considered the best DPI settings out there for most competitive players. They use the 800 DPI. So either way, you could select all of these three options. They will work all the same, but once again, this is according to your preference. Now from there, let's head over to the performance category, and then let's set this settings right here. The first one, you want to set it to gaming mode. Basically, this is great for fast-paced gaming with quicker response, smoother feel, especially if you like tracking games like Apex Legends, and slightly more power used. So you just have to keep that in mind. This will make everything better, but at a cost of your battery. Now for the hibernation setting, you want to set this to 3. It doesn't really matter. You can either configure this if you want to. For the polling rate, this is where most people set this to 1000 because 1000 is good enough if you're just a casual gamer. But if you're more onto the competitive side, you can set it to 2000, 4000, and 8000, but this will basically drain your battery more as you set it higher. For the LOD silent height, which is going to be the lift off distance, you want to set it around 1 millimeters or 2 millimeters. You can test this out to see what works best for you. And lastly, for the key bounce time, you want to set it to 8. And basically, from there, you are good to go. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.